So in this notification context provider component, I want to manage the state, which is then distributed through context to the various stakeholders, the various components that are interested in that state. And hence, I'll start by creating a new state. And that is the state that stores the notification that should be shown, if any. So here we can have the active notification and a set active notification function. And initially that's undefined because initially I have no active notification. But then I'll add two functions, the show notification handler function and the hide notification handler function. These are the two functions I'll add here. In the show notification handler, I want to set my active notification, and I do expect that I get information about the notification that should be shown as a parameter here. So here I'll expect to get my notification data, and then I'll set my active notification to an object where the title is notification data.title, where the message is notification data.message, and where the status is notification data.status. And since these objects are exactly equal, we can of course take a shortcut and just set the active notification to that notification data we're getting here. To get correct autocompletion, I'll then also update my show notification function up there, which we'll soon use, and expect notification data there as well. Again, we're not doing anything with it there, but this will help us with IDE autocompletion later. The actual function is defined here, and we'll connect it to the context soon. Now in hide notification handler, I want to set my active notification to null. I want to reset it and get rid of it. Now the goal is to bundle my notification data and pointers at these functions together into one object, which we can then distribute as context to the other components in the app. So I'll create a new constant here, my context, and that's our object, which now has the structure defined up here for this initial context. So here I then want to have a notification key and point at the active notification state here as a value. I'll add a show notification key, and we defined that this should hold a function, so here I will point at this show notification handler function, which is a function of the proper structure and signature. And I'll add my hide notification key and point at the hide notification handler function. So that's now my context object, and now we distribute this to all the components that are interested through the value prop on this provider component. We set that equal to context, and the cool thing is that whenever we change this state here, for example by calling show or hide notification handler in the end, this notification context provider component will re-render and will distribute the updated context object to interested components. And that's exactly what we need here.